Have you ever given a direction to a child and they follow the direction, but they give you a lot of back talk while they're following the direction? I know it sounds crazy. You're like, why can't you not do that? It kind of reminds me of when I was a kid and my mom would get mad at me and she'd send me to my room because I did something wrong, or she'd say, go sit over here. And on the way, I would always have to say something. And then she'd ask me like, what did you say? And I'd be like, oh, Mom, you really don't want to hear this. It's kind of the same concept. If you're following the direction, wasn't that what you originally wanted? Stick with what you wanted and don't put conditions on how they do it. Because remember, that's their piece of the control. See, they feel like, oh, they got to do something. But if they're following the direction, then you're getting what you wanted, you're getting the direction followed. Now it's a matter of having to back up a little bit and not respond or react, if you will, to the talk that you're getting or the jabber while they're following direction. And that's hard to do, but it's the only thing you can do in that moment.